Friends, welcome to this presentation on franchisee model for e-learning. Let me first tell you about what is the objective of this presentation is. I would like to present before you what is a modern art of learning and how e-learning is going to help the student community and what the present system of chalk and talk blackboard concept and what lacunas which the present education system got are going to get well addressed through the e-learning model. These are the aspects, and then as a franchisee, how much of the business you will have through this particular venture, and how this venture is going to help to you as an institution, to your students who are pursuing the CA course, and as a educational society we have. So to start with, we are not saying that e-learning is an end in all. That is, the whole lot of idea of Kalyan Chakravarti Education and Welfare Society is to see that we make best use of technology so that our regular teacher will also get some aids whereby he will be able to provide more better education to the student community. Of course, the present day problem in the education is less number of trained teachers. See, I also made a presentation which is useful for the CA students. There, one point which I tried to communicate, that is how CA course is better than the engineering course, that I explained. There also my point is the only thing. You can't compare one professional course with the other professional course. Every professional course is a professional course equally having an importance. But the problem with the engineering is we have got n number of engineering colleges with less infrastructure and number of the trained teachers. Consequent to that, what is happening is the students who are coming with a lot of aspirations and expectations are going out of the college without all those aspirations getting completed and without a proper training. Whereas in case of the CA, at least in the present context, let me tell you, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has got a membership of 1,40,000 chartered accountants, and then in the today's situation we are in a need of about 5 lakh chartered accountants. For the kind of the growth the industry already saw, we have a requirement of 5 lakhs. So in this context, definitely job opportunities are very much there. Much more than the job opportunities, let me tell you proudly that the fraternity of chartered accountants we have here, about 80,000 chartered accountants are there in the practice. On an average, each member has got an eligibility to train the student on the work front to the tune of 5 students on an average. Thereby, about 4 lakh students can very well get trained in the accounting field, and that training definitely makes them to be a knowledgeable person who can handle the finance of any company. So as such, as an education, CA education has got a lot of potential as such. What is not there in the engineering or what is not there in the private medical college? Yes, definitely CA course has got. CA course has got. First thing is opportunity. Second aspect is a definite training model. Now, that is what is being offered by the economic environment and the institute. The third aspect which need to happen is the theoretical education. Now, theoretical education also, let me tell you, today it's not handful of chartered accountants. We have got hundreds of chartered accountants, young, energetic, who are very much looking at giving coaching to the students as their career. So in this context, throughout the country from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, I can proudly say about 8 to 9,000 chartered accountants are there training, giving the theoretical education to the students, working in the different coaching centers or with the branches as a faculty or at the regional council also. Now the whole lot of idea here is, why can't we make use of the technology so that the best teachers can teach and their lectures can very much reach the student community. A student in Warangal, a student in Amalapuram, they don't have the opportunity earlier to get good training because they have to travel a lot, and then they need to stay in hostels, and to attend to the coaching they need to travel to the cities like Hyderabad and Chennai. So the idea here is, of course, I am not saying we have mastered the entire technology and all, but whatever the knowledge we have in the technology really brought this concept into a reality. Today, of course, we can provide service both offline as well as online. But why the idea of online we have not entertained is the cost which is involved, and average, that is the normal CA student comes from a lower middle class or a middle class situation. So if you say a very good technology, a very good teacher, but it all comes for ₹1 lakh, not possible. Let us start somewhere online. Instead of online, that we make it in the offline and offer the product at a price which will help the student in the lower middle class also to think about taking the CA course. This is the whole lot of object behind our making an effort to create a content which is being video shooted in the live classes which I delivered the lecture in my Hyderabad class, and now with respect to this, how as a business model it works, I would like to tell you. But let me tell you friends again that any part we don't have in our mind, at any part we don't have an idea of saying that your live teacher can be dispensed off with a e-learning teacher. We give a lot of respect to the live teacher, and never technology can dispense of any human teacher part. Because I still remember the days when computer aided audit techniques are coming into the market. Somebody was asking, sir, if computer aided audit techniques are going to come and each company is going to make use of that, is that your auditors will lose their jobs? No, definitely not. Because what a human touch, what a human brain on a live situation can make, definitely computer cannot do. Only thing our effort is, that is, we want to bring a bridge between the textbook and the live teacher, so that somewhere in the middle I can place e-learning as a mode of learning. And definitely to students who are not having a chance to come to the different cities where the live teachers are available, definitely this technology will make a real sense. And also for those who want to have a revision for their syllabus which is being taught by a live teacher, definitely our model will make much bigger sense. To make a beginning with, our blended learning model comes with a conventional teacher, that is, who is going to be appointed or engaged by our business partner, and the virtual teacher, that is the classes which we are taking the video, that part we are calling him as an virtual teacher. So we want to combine these two features of conventional teacher and the virtual teacher. Then what is the roles? Before we start our journey, let us not start with a confusion, let us start with a clarity. We defined what is the role of a conventional teacher, and we also defined our own role as a e-learning teacher. So what the role I am expecting for a conventional teacher? Definitely teacher is a role model for any student in his life. Who is the person who is going to influence a student is definitely the teacher. So teacher is a role model and a mentor. Teacher is an emotional and a moral support. Yes, in any travel we have got ups and downs. So a teacher always will help a student in terms of balancing that emotions. And many times we get doubt about our own potential. So definitely teacher helps as a moral support to any student. More particularly in a course like CA, we get lot of times a doubt whether am I eligible to do CA. Generally this question a student should pose for himself before he start the course. But halfway through also many students will pose such questions to themselves at all such times. Yes, a conventional teacher definitely will be a great support. Then in addition to be a repertoire of encyclopedic knowledge, he helps us in terms of emotional support and the moral support. Undoubtedly any person who aims to train the CA students come with lot of commitment, and that commitment and the knowledge which he has got, definitely that benefit student will get in a bigger way. So one has to focus for an immediate doubt clarification. Yes, immediate doubt clarification happens only with the live teacher, not in the model which we are presenting. Then teacher is a coach who brings a mission and vision of the life into focus. Yes, every person will have a vision, and mere visions will not make any person to be great. Commensurate to your vision, there should be a mission, and always a good teacher will make their students to understand that point, that they should have the mission to commensurate with the vision which they have, which probably a e-learning teacher may not be able to. Then friends, teacher being a practicing chartered accountants, generally if the teaching happens with a chartered accountant, we don't underestimate friends about the ability of postgraduate MComs or the doctors in the commerce. They are having a much more knowledge than a chartered accountant, but only thing why we prefer chartered accountants to be the teachers for the chartered accountants is because it's a peculiar examination, it's a peculiar kind of situation. Only the one who surpasses that can only understand the mindset of the students pursuing the CA. So we advise our business partners to encourage more of a chartered accountants. Of course, not at the level of CPT. I advise my business partners to take up the help of the chartered accountants at least at the level of IPCC and the final level. Then friends, teacher being a practicing chartered accountant provides a customized practical solutions to the individual queries of the students. Yes, this is not a BCom or an MCom kind of situation where you can give a general answers. Let us suppose a student gets a doubt in income tax, you may need to sometimes answer, clarify that particular doubt from all the angles of accounts, and then audit the implications in accounting and the implications in the audit, and then the effects in the income tax. Like that, the clarification may need to be given. That can be done only by a chartered accountant. This is what precisely the role of a conventional teacher, and now our role comes into the play. That is virtual teachers. We are virtual teachers when we say e-learning. So generally we take the help of the person who has got a good teaching experience, and we are taking the video shooting of his live class. So student will get a benefit. Geographically being located at a distinct location, he can get the help of a expert chartered accountant who is there doing this particular coaching at either the regional level or at the branch level of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And so this model will bring the geographical gap, the distance between the person who is sitting in Hyderabad and the person who is student who is sitting at a geographically distant place. Technology bridges the need of travel by neither the teacher nor the student. Yes, this is a very beautiful model, because many a time in a professional course what will happen, friends, continuity is the most important thing which is absent. Somebody was asking me a question, sir, why in CA students will fail? In CA students will fail not because CA course is a difficult course, not that the teachers who are teaching them are less knowledgeable. It's all because of this absence of the continuity part. Continuity must be there, and the discipline must be there both to the teacher as well as to the student. So whenever there is a gap that comes, break that comes because of the reasons, different valid reasons, what will happen once you lose the continuity in a particular topic, then that concept will not be clear. Once like such concepts are not clear 10 or 12, that is enough for you to come again program. From a certainly achievable kind of situation of CA definition, it becomes a come again program. So that one thing is being very well addressed in the e-learning model, because student can very well revisit the teacher and can also study at his own convenience, at his own convenient time. And this is a very best model for the self-starters and the one who has got a lot of control over their mind and activities. Then friends, Personalized navigation of lectures can be done by the student at his own convenience. Yes, the one best part here is, let us suppose you are sitting in a classroom for 10 minutes. If your mind is somewhere and your body is there in the class, again you can't ask the teacher to come back and teach you. Whereas in this particular model we have, that is, you can stop the teacher till such time again you get the mood into the studies. Of course, any advantage comes with its own disadvantage also, but we are presenting here more of advantages, and I will address all your doubts when personally I meet you. Then friends, student can bookmark the specific record lectures and review them at his own convenience. Yes, just like how in a book the important things you can take, the important minutes of discussion you can write at one place, and in the revision time you can go to that particular lecture and can click that particular timing so that your teacher again starts from that particular moment. Then friends, students can participate in a lecture from their home. Students can participate in the lecture from his own home with a web connectivity. Of course, we are not going into the web connectivity part, because what I am promising to all my business partners is, you please start this course, give this particular lecture content to your own lectures, which will help them to have a guidance of how to go about, and all these lectures will be given at a free of cost to the students who are attending in your coaching center or in your college. So they will have a benefit of two things. Generally in a CA course or any professional course, the first doubt that the student will have is when the teacher will complete the syllabus. Yes, here you don't have uncertainty. It is that responsibility, we can very well put it on the student himself. Our live teacher completing the syllabus or not, that is not going to create a problem for us, because already the full content is being given to them. What our live lectures will be doing is, that is, they are going to bring some continuity in the studies to the students and also solve their doubts. Then friends, and web connectivity part, as of today we are not into the web connectivity, but using the technology we can also bring such kind of a feature also in the e-learning model. Then how does this blended learning model works? That is, the recorded and archived lectures will be available at every center as a video on demand library. Yes, since we are giving this particular videos at free of cost to all the students, they can very well play them in their personal computers also. So library can be there, e-video library can be there, maintained at the college or the coaching center level, or it can also come to the student to his house, because in our business model what we have is, we will give to every enrolled student a complete lecture set of all the subjects which we have recorded. Then video lecture content can be used by the students as well as by the faculty to get trained to the trained students. But let me tell you very frankly that no part of our mind has got a feeling that we are more superior than your live teacher. Let me tell you, your live teachers have got a very good knowledge. Only thing we want to tell is that CA requires a particular approach. That approach be, because I am a teacher for about 13 years, training so many CA students. So what are all the requirements of the each individual subject? Since we made a lot of research on it, we want to just share our knowledge with the live teachers who are there at your end. And then friends, doubt clarification session and question answer session happens at the end of the every lecture module to encourage and participate learning by the students from the live faculty deployed. So after the lecture for 1 hour is over, very well the live teacher can interact with the students, and he can also put his own thoughts into it and can bring more clarity into the student's mind, because he is going to observe more and he is going to understand more of what the problem the student is facing in understanding the concepts. Then friends, that is even 30% of the tutorial time has live faculty. So what we advise is, don't completely depend on this particular module. Yes, module we have developed in such a way where one can use it as a complete module, but we encourage our business partners to employ at least 30% of the time. Let the students get the benefit of the presence of the live teacher. Then friends, that translates 70% of the cost reduction for the faculty at each location. Yes, see, point of interest here is, after you have our course content with you, you can more engage the local chartered accountants and can invite them as a guest lecturers to the course which you are running. Then every e-learning center has got 150 hours of live interactive sessions at the weekends to supplement the e-class. This is also one thing which we are proposing to our business partners, that don't dispense off with the live teaching. You please encourage the live teaching and make use of e-learning only as a supplement and not as a substitute. Any college which want to run a CPT course need to have its own faculty. Of course, since there are some initial apprehensions and problems, you can take our e-learning model as an assistance to get away from such kind of problems. Because the main problem which any college will face is once they ask their faculty to start the CA classes, what will happen is, because of the lecturers turnover or because of the other reasons, the teachers may not get too much of the motivation. Even if they are doing halfway through, if that lecturer is getting a very good opportunity somewhere else, if he is going away, then the management is not at a trouble, because then they can ask the students to get benefit of this particular e-learning lecture. Of course, at the KCCA level, we have a practice of sending our team of guest faculty to such colleges where they get a problem with the live teacher, but I hope so my business partners will not get into such kind of problems, and I don't doubt any lecturer who comes to our group to get into such a kind of situation. Then friends, the purpose is mainly to give the inevitable human touch to otherwise a virtual education. Yes, see, what will happen is, once you put the video and forget, then what will happen? Naturally, it sometimes a bore may come to the student, that is, he may feel monotony of it and all. So live interaction, we are saying, definitely should be there. Then only as an academy or as an institution or as a college, you will be successfully running the CA classes. Then friends, to tell you a brief about CA course, that is the CA Chartered Accountancy course, we have a regulator as well as a university kind of situation, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. What a university will do, the same job for professional course of CA Institute of Chartered Accountants of India do. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India basically has got two functions. One is a controller function. As a controller, it controls and regulates the chartered accountants, and second thing is, as a trainer, as an institute, it will conduct the coaching classes, it will also give the material, and it will also conduct the examinations. This is what the role of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And Institute of Chartered Accountants of India recently in 2006 brought this particular course to the level of 10+2. A student who completed his 10th class can enroll into the common proficiency test. Now friends, unlike ICAA and CS, the entry level is made compulsory. Whether you are a graduate or a postgraduate, if you want to pursue CA, necessarily you have to write this particular entrance examination. It is more like the students of MPC and BPC writing an MCET to get into the professional course of engineering and medicine. The same type of situation here. Of course, I can always tell you that that is more of a competitive examination, MCET, and whereas this is more of a qualifying examination. Here we don't have the ranking system, but the only thing is you need to get that qualifying mark of 50% of the marks. Then of course we don't have any reservation concept here. Only thing is that here ranking is not there, reservation is not there. Any student need to get that 100 marks out of the 200 marks is a point to enter into the CA course. Now, the roadmap of CPT. CPT is an entry level examination for CA course. It is basically an objective multiple choice question test. It will have 200 multiple choice questions. It is similar to our EAMCET education and EAMCET examination for entry into the engineering and medical profession. And then friends, twice in a year, unlike your EAMCET, which gets done only, which they conduct only for once in a year, institute is going to conduct the entrance examination twice in a year, one in June and another in the December. That is, if any student decides very late after his 10+2, he need not bother. After June, he has got the December examination. Twice in a year we are going to conduct this exam. This is the CPT is a brainchild of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Here, what are the underlying objectives to bring it from graduation level to the level of 10th pass and then enroll to the CPT is that today industry want what? The best brains. And in any situation, there is an age to mold the brain. There is a age to mold the brain. And we thought that is molding a person who has already got certain ideas about their life. The students who are at the very beginning of their life, we can mold them better and can give to the society the best chartered accountants. That is the whole lot of idea behind the bringing the CPT to the 10th class level. And then we also reduced the time gap between your entry and the exit, which was earlier it used to happen about 5 years. Now a person can become chartered accountant by the age of 21 years. When he completes his 10+2, it is 17 years. By 21 years, one can become a chartered accountant. And registration can be done after 10th, but exam you are going to write only after 12th class examination. Before, even if the results gets delayed of your 10th class, you can still write your CPT exam. And here the whole lot of idea is only to attract the young talented students. We don't want to get a saying from the society that CA is a lender of last resort. That is, a person after testing his luck all the places, he will check his luck with the CA course. That is what a decade ago situation. But today our main intention is only we will take the young brains, we will attract more of the young brains, and that too also not as a lender of last resort, but only when you have the aptitude, we are ready to train you and test you and allow you to become a chartered accountant. That is what the spirit we have at the ICAI level. And then your practical training is one of the most beautiful part with the CA course. And this practical training also, institute has beautifully modeled its curriculum and education system, and they said you complete your next stage half through. That is, after passing the CPT, they will have the second stage. In that second stage also, first there are two groups. In the first group, they are going to study accounts, costing, income tax and corporate laws, with this subject knowledge coming to them, theoretical subject knowledge coming to them. We are now inviting them to our practicing units, so that what we teach them practically also they will be able to understand very clearly. That objective made the institute to bring the articleship after they pass the first group of the IPCC. And of course, the CPT examination, why they put it in the multiple choice is multiple choice question testing will test the analytical ability of the student. So we don't want students who mug up, we want students who learn the concepts and enter into this particular course. That made us to get into an idea of testing the students' knowledge through multiple choice questions and the case studies. As they move to the final and the IPCC level, even when they write the subject, we are giving the papers with all case studies.